this tutorial, we're going to go over how to remove your placeholder, which is your under construction placeholder, which we titled "We're Clearing the Space," as you can see here, which is this. So we're going to move this out of the way so that now you can start taking, so it'll automatically go to your actual home page. So to do that, again, we start at the dashboard. You're going to go again down this menu to online. You're going to go to websites. Okay, and then this is where it's going to take a different route. So we were working with this part at first, but now we are going to go to edit site. So you can do it actually from here, from this button here, or if you go down here and you open up the website category, you can do it from here as well. So either one is fine. It'll take you to the same place. They're just different options, whichever you remember, or whichever is more convenient for you. So we're just going to go and click this one, that since it's already visible and ready for us. Okay, and so now we're inside of your actual website. So, and this is important for you to understand that. So that way you know exactly where you're going when you need to make certain changes. This right here, we're going to click right here. These are all the pages that you have. And so right now, you see this little home right here? That means that that is the first page that your customers will see when they go online. So we want to remove this from being the home page, and we are going to make home the home page. So in order to do that, you're going to click these three little dots here, and we kind of clicked off of it. So we're going to go back up here to this arrow. These are your pages. This is how you control your pages. This listing right here is what's on said page. So if you see, it'll highlight each section of the home page. That's a totally different thing. But what we're trying to do is make home the home page. So again, the home is right here, which means clearing the space is the home page. We want to make home the home page. Click on these three little dots and make this my home page. So once you do that, you'll see that the little casita had changed. It's now telling you that this page is now your home page, the first page that your customers will see. Now it's really important that we go over here to the right side and we click on publish. That is super important on your website whenever you make any changes. As soon as you hit the publish, then it should make it actually available for your customers to view. So previously we had this as your home page. I'm going to go up here to refresh the page, and it should automatically take you to your home page, in which it does. So that's how you change your home pages. So I am going to reset them to where it was before so that you can go in and you can do this as well and become familiar with how that process works.